Stay home, stay safe, and pray for the safety of others. Hello everyone, I Arpita Tripathi welcome you back to my channel and your very own learning platform, The World of Chemistry. Today, I'll be discussing on the topic matter. In this video, we will know about matter, few examples of it, the different states of matter and their few properties, what makes these states differ from each other, and at last, comparison between them. Whatever we see around us are matter, so it can be defined as anything that has mass, occupies space, and can be perceived by our senses is called matter. For example, bat, table, water, air, these all are matter. Matter is made up of small particles called atoms and molecules. Atoms are the smallest particle of matter which may or may not have independent existence, and molecules are the particles made up of two or more atoms and can exist independently. Examples of matter again: bat, juice, air, pen, duster. Heat, light, beauty, sorrow, happiness, electricity, etc. These all can be felt but still are not considered as matter, as neither they have mass nor they occupy any space. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. A solid is something that we can hold on to. A solid keeps its shape unless we cut it or shape it ourselves. In a solid, all of the particles are packed together very tightly, and hence the force of attraction between the particles of solid is maximum, while the space between them is minimum or almost negligible. Liquids are runny, they can be poured. The particles are less tightly packed, so they can move about. If poured from one container to another, they will take the shape of their new container. The intermolecular force of attraction between liquids or the particles is less than that of solids, and the space is more than solids. Gases are the particles that have lots of room to move. Gases are all around us. They spread into all of the empty places they can. Most are invisible. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles of gases are almost negligible, and intermolecular space is maximum. Now, what makes these solids, liquids, and gases differ from each other? Let's see. The first one is intermolecular space between the particles. In solid, the space is negligible, while in liquids, the space is more than solids and maximum in case of gases. The intermolecular forces of attraction between the particles is maximum in solids, less in liquids, and almost negligible in gases. The third one is kinetic energy of particles. The particles of matter always exist in a state of random motion. The random zigzag motion of the particles in a matter is called Brownian motion. It depends on the amount of movement in particles. So, kinetic energy is minimum in solids as because the particles vibrate about their mean position, is more in liquids, and kinetic energy is maximum in gases. Now let's see the comparison between the properties of solids, liquids and gases. First one is interparticle space. It is minimum in solids, more than solids in liquids and is maximum at gases. The interparticle force is maximum in solids, lesser in liquids and minimum or almost negligible in gases. About shape, solids have fixed shapes while liquids have no fixed shape and same gases also have no fixed shape. The kinetic energy of molecules is minimum in solids, in between in liquids and maximum in case of gases. About volume, solids have fixed volume, liquids also have fixed volume, but there is no fixed volume in case of gases. Now let's see about the fluidity. Solids, they do not flow, liquids flow from higher to lower level and gases flow in each and every direction. Last is the compressibility. Solids, they cannot be compressed, liquids, they can slightly be compressed, while gases are highly compressible. So, I hope this part of the video is clear for all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.